Oh wow, that light looks pretty cool in here.
What?
It's like trailing when you did that, like like trails and stuff. That was wicked.
Oh my god, that's so cool. You're like doing all of it. Come on, come on. Come on. It does, it trails. Isn't that cool? This must be what she's seeing, you know? That's why she's going so nuts. Come on. Hey, go ahead. I almost got it. Come here, come here. Now I almost got you. Fuck your head, no. Come on. Come on.
Now if I had my Sony with night vision, that would have been awesome.
Oh, you scared? Look at the hat. Okay.